Welcome to NAVEKSA's shop floor. Operators may not have complete access to routing instructions, process notes, drawings, and other essential documents. The shop floor app consolidates all this information into a single, convenient view accessible directly from the terminal. Let's demonstrate this. We click on an order to see the active blue icons available and click on Route. We now see the routes that production order will follow. And if the planner has attached any additional information, we can look that up by Enter the Process Notes button, which quickly show the routing comments, routing tools, and routing links. See there, the planner has stored some drawing on the process note. I have the assembly plan right here, so I can see how it's done. Now we have all the information we need and can fulfill the production order.